I hope everything fine at your side. So welcome back to cloud computing classes. So students, today we will talk about to Microsoft Azure Cloud Platform or Microsoft Azure Cloud Services. So this video describe various level of services of Microsoft Azure Cloud Platform. So in previous lecture, I have already discussed Amazon Web Services and EC2 model. So today we will discuss about to Microsoft Azure services. So here, meaning of Microsoft Azure. So Microsoft Azure, commonly referred to as Azure, is a cloud computing services created by Microsoft company for building, testing, deploying and managing application and services through Microsoft managed data center. So Microsoft Azure, formerly known as a Windows Azure and Microsoft Public Cloud Computing Platform. So it provides a range of cloud services including compute model, analytics, storage and networking. So many users can pick and choose from these services to develop and scale new application or run existing application in the public cloud platform. So the Azure platform or Microsoft Azure platforms aim to help businesses manage challenge and meet their organization goal. So it offers tools that support all industries and professional, so including e-commerce, finance and a variety of 100 companies and is compatible with open source technology. So as we already know, Microsoft Azure is an application platform for the public cloud. So it offers a range of cloud services, that is computing power, analytics, storage and networking. So beside different Azure features and services, there are different Azure compute model. So every single one of them has their own roles and responsibilities. So it is possible to use different models in isolation or combine them for creating the right basis for your application. So the approach that you choose should be coherent to the problems that you are trying to solve. So Azure classifies services into different categorized in the Azure portal. So the portal allows users to access all of Azure features and services. So this provides users with the flexibility to use their preferred tools and technology. So in Azure or Microsoft Azure cloud platforms offer 4 different forms of cloud computing, such as infrastructure as a service model, platform as a service model and software as a service model, and also provide a serverless computing platform. So Microsoft Azure changes for on a pay-as-you-go basis, meaning subscribe receive a bill each month that only charges them for the specific resources they have used. So next question is, what is use of Microsoft Azure platform? So you can say that Microsoft Azure consists of numerous services offering. So its uses cases are extremely diverse. So multiple running virtual machine or containers in the cloud is one of the most popular uses for Microsoft Azure. So this compute resource can host infrastructure component such as domain name system, that is a DNS server, and Windows Server Services, that is a Internet Information Server, that is known as a IIS server, or third-party application-based services. So Microsoft also support the use of third-party operating system such as a Linux, Unix, and other any operating system. So Azure is commonly used as a platform for hosting database and website for their uses. So next point is Microsoft Azure Services, or you can say that is a component of Microsoft Azure cloud platform. So here I discuss about Microsoft Azure Services. So Microsoft Azure is widely considered both a platform as a service and infrastructure as a service model that offering Azure product and services. So as of July 2018, Microsoft categorized Azure cloud services into two main product types are: first is compute, second is storage services, third is networking services, fourth is web and mobile services, and fifth is networking services, and sixth is database and analysis services, seventh development platform, eighth media and content delivery network services, ninth Internet of Things services, 10th security and IAM services. So that is IAM means identity and access management, and 11th is AI means artificial intelligence services and machine learning services, and 12 is migration related issues or services. So first is compute based services. So these services enable a user to deploy and manage virtual machine, containers and batch processing system, as well as support remote application across. So first is Azure Virtual Machine Services in compute service model. So virtual machine means a virtual machine can be created from a standard image, and the approach towards creating virtual machine can be very useful in the world of computing. So this approach is also known as the infrastructure as a service, which Azure virtual machine provides to the users. And second is container services in compute model. So what is container? So container is a storage area that provide a space for huge volume of images. So these services help an enterprises create, register, orchestrate and manage huge volume of containers in the Azure cloud using common platforms such as Docker and Kubernetes. So Microsoft Azure Storage is a cloud storage solution for modern application. It is designed for meet the needs of their customers' demand for scalability, and it allow you to store and process hundred of terabyte of data. So it has the following component. First is blob storage. So what is blob storage? So blob storage is a service which stores unstructured data in the cloud as object or blob, so you can store any type of text or binary data such as document, media file or application installer. That is, this type of data is known as in NoSQL data. So, and the second is a queue storage. So queue storage is, it provide cloud managing between application component, and it delivers asynchronous messaging to establish communication between file and services. So this category of services provides scalable cloud storage for structured and unstructured data. It also supports big data project, persistent storage and archival storage. And next, file storage. So file storage, using Azure file storage, you can migrate a legacy application. It relies on file share to Azure quickly and without costly rewrite. So next and fourth in storage service. So table storage. So table storage means Azure table storage stores semi-structured NoSQL data in the cloud. So it provides a key or attribute stored with a schema-less design services. And next point is or fourth point is database services. So database services includes database as a service model, which offer SQL and NoSQL tools. It also includes database like Azure Cosmos DB and Azure database for PostgreSQL database. It has the following component. So first is SQL database, second is document DB database, third is Redis cache. So first is SQL database. So it is a relational database services in the Microsoft cloud based on the market leading Microsoft SQL Server engine. Second is document DB, means document database. So it is a fully managed NoSQL database service which is built for fast and predictable performance and ease of development. So third is Redis cache. So Redis cache is the new concept and new technology. It is a secure and highly advanced key value store. It stores data structure like string, hashes, list or any other related files, etc. So next point is networking. So networking means, so you can see that Azure networking. So Azure networking has provided some various model for cloud. So first is virtual network model, second is load balancer model, third is application gateway model, fourth is Azure DNS model. So first is virtual network model. So virtual network model is isolation and segmentation based model. It offer filter and route network traffic. Second is load balancer model. So load balancer provide a high availability and network performance of any application with load balance and load balance information internet traffic to virtual machine. So it is also control the traffic and any other data related issues. So third is application gateway. So application gateway means it is a dedicated virtual appliance that offers an application delivery controller as a service model. So next and last point in networking, Azure DNS. So Azure DNS means Azure Data Naming Server. So Azure DNS hosting service offer name resolution using Microsoft Azure infrastructure. So next point is development platform or DevOps. DevOps means development platform. So this group provides project and collaboration tool such as Azure DevOps formerly Visual Studio Team services that facilitate DevOps software development process, and it also offer features for application diagnostics. So DevOps tool integration and test lab for build, test and experimentation software. So these services help application developer share code, test and run the code and with the application and track potential issues. So Azure support a range of application programming language including JavaScript, Python, .NET and Node.js. So this tool in this category also includes support for Azure DevOps software development kits and blockchain technology. So next point is content delivery network and media services. So content network delivery means caches static web content at strategically placed location. So this help you to offer speed for delivering content to user, and it has the following component. First is VPN gateway. So VPN gateway sends encrypted message traffic across a public connection. Second is traffic manager. Traffic manager help you to control and allow you to do the distribution of user traffic for services like web apps, virtual machine, Azure and cloud services in different data center. And third point is express route. Express route means help you to extend your on-premises network into the Microsoft cloud over a dedicated network. And next point is web and mobile services. So web and mobile services offer, that is a web apps application. So web app application allow you to build and host website in the programming language of your choice without the need to manage its infrastructure. So second is mobile app application. So mobile app application services offer a highly scalable, globally available mobile app development platform various users and professionals. So third is API apps application. So API apps application means application programming interface app make it easier to develop, host and consume API in the cloud and on-premises data center. So next point is logic apps application. So logic app application means logic apps help you to simplify and implement scalable integration with your module. So next point is IoT. IoT means Internet of Things. So Internet of Things means these services help users capture, monitor and analyze to IoT based services data center from sensor and other devices. So these services include notification, analytics, monitoring and support for coding and execution based services. So next point is security and IAM services. IAM services means identify and access management services. So these services provides capabilities to identify and respond to cloud security threats. It also helps you to manage encryption data with keys and other sensitive assets. So it has the following component. So first is Key Vault. Key Vault means Azure Key Vault allow you to safeguard cryptography keys and help you to create secret used by cloud application and services. Second is Azure Active Directory. So Azure Active Directory means and identity management services. This include multi-factor authentication, device registration, etc. So next point is artificial intelligence and machine learning. So this is a wide range of services that a developer can use to infuse artificial intelligence services, machine learning and cognitive computing capabilities. automation means this suite of tools help an organization estimate workload migration cost and perform the actual migration of workload from local data center to the Azure cloud.